You ever have a tail light that the inner lens is kind of falling off? And this one's from a pilot. So today I'm going to show you how to take this to fix this without taking the front lens off. Alright. So what you're gonna need is these picks. I think these angled pick, but I think the best one uses probably this one. Alright, so first thing which we want to do is make this so if you notice, if you look carefully, there's this where it snaps on top here, so up here, and there's a bottom one down here. I don't know if you can see it, but alright, so first thing we're gonna do is try to make this thing turn. So I'm gonna use my pick. I'm using this one. So you want to turn this so that one side is aligned to the top and the other side is where the snap goes into. Let's say about. This is gonna take a lot of patience, so you don't have to rush it. Alright, so yeah, so I think the bottom's aligned. Now what you want to do is you want to grab the top. Well, it's not aligned yet. Okay, so I think that's about right there. Okay, so right there. So you want to pull it. Once you get it aligned on both sides, you want to pull it so it snaps right back in. Let's see if I can do this. It's gonna take. Like I said, it's gonna take several tries. I'd rather do this than taking the lens apart. So let's see. Come on. I'll try the other side. Looks like it's going in. Just gonna push it in a little harder. Let's see if I can do this. Thing on, but it's not perfect. Alright, see. Let's try this again. I'm gonna make sure the bottom hooks on first before I start pulling the other side. Okay, so you can see that bitch right there. I want to make sure that's hooked on one end before I pull the other side. Okay, that's not. Alright, let's look at the other side. I'm gonna have to switch the lens around. So it looks like it's not going in. I'm gonna switch this around. Turn it and do the other side. Maybe that's the way to do it. So, like I said, it's gonna take some patience. So just make sure you take your time. There. Alright, I'm in. Alright. So let's do the bottom. Let's see. Let's try the bottom first. Okay, so the top's in place. I need to pull the bottom in. So I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. It's in the slot, so I just need to pull so it'll snap on. Okay, maybe I should try the other side. Let's see. Let's pull the other side. Let's hook the bottom side and then we'll pull the other side. Maybe that might do the trick. Good. Okay, let's pull the other side. So it looks like one side only had a hole. This side doesn't seem to have it. I can't grab it. Doesn't make sense. One side had a hole. Okay, there we go. So snaps right in. Alright, there we go. Got it all fixed. Awesome. So so what I did was I hooked the bottom side first. So this lens has two snapping sides. One side has a hole and the other side doesn't have a hole. So I hooked the side with the hole first, and then on the top, so here's the lens. On the top, you want to kind of use this pick and kind of press on it. Once you got the bottom hook, you want to press on the top tab, and you want to make sure that it doesn't scratch on it, but you want to press, pull the pick toward you very tight, and then press on it very hard, and it'll just snaps right in. So just make sure that it doesn't slide. Just kind of pinch on it and press, and then pull, so that it kind of pull the tab right into the slot and snap right into it. So there we go, all done. I can push on it, it's not coming off. All right, so to keep this from popping out again, I'm gonna use some glue. I'm just gonna glue the corner of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of these weld glue. I guess you can use any high temperature glue. These are, once you mix them, they become very hard like metals. So get some of this glue, put some right here. We don't need a lot, just a little bit. Put this back. Alright, so we're gonna mix these two together. Alright. So when these gets hard, it's very hard. It's like permanent type of glue. It's like welded glue. So, alright. Once you mix that up, just make sure I get. Alright. So what I want to do is grab some of these glue and alright, now let's put some glue in there just so it'll stay like that forever. Alright, just put some glue around here. Some glue. I don't want to deal with this again, so I'm gonna put some glue on the bottom where the joint meet. Make sure that it doesn't come off again. There we go. That's how you do it. Just take time and patience. I didn't want to take this whole thing apart and then press this thing back in and then glue the whole thing again. So this is one way to hack this thing. It looks pretty nice. I can't tell the glue's in there. I mean, it's holding it in place. So yep. So you just let it sit until it's fully dry, and then should be ready to go. All right, awesome.